In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed an RSS feed into your Wix website. This will help you integrate external content right onto your site, enhancing its dynamic appeal and keeping your audience engaged with fresh updates. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. Firstly, you'll need to sign up for an RSS feed app service. Some popular options include POWR, Elf Site, or RSS.app. Each of these services offers tools to help you create and customize a widget for your RSS feed. When you sign up, follow their guided instructions to set up your feed according to your preferences. You'll have the opportunity to choose the design and functionality that best suits your website's style and needs. After setting everything up, the app will provide you an embed code. This can either be in the form of an iframe or JavaScript, which you will need to embed into your Wix site. Next, you'll need to open your website in the Wix editor. This is where all the magic will happen as you integrate your newly created RSS feed widget onto your site. Once your site is open in the editor, look for the plus sign on the left side of the screen, which is your Add button. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, navigate to the Embed Code section. Here, you will see an option labeled Embed HTML. Select it to proceed. After selecting Embed HTML, you'll need to position this new HTML element on your page. You can drag and resize it just as you would with any other element on your Wix site, so feel free to adjust it to match your page layout. Consider the user experience when placing the feed. Having it prominently displayed can ensure your visitors never miss an update. Once you have positioned the HTML element, it's time to enter the code. Click on your new element, and a small window should pop up. Choose Enter Code, and then paste the code you received from your RSS feed app into this box. After pasting, make sure to click the Update button to apply the changes. Now, let's ensure everything looks perfect. You may need to tweak the size of the HTML box to guarantee the feed displays correctly. This involves adjusting it so that all the content from your RSS feed is visible without any awkward cropping or excessive blank space. Preview your page to see how everything looks on the front end. When you're satisfied with the layout and functionality, go ahead and publish your site to make these changes live for everyone to see. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully embedded an RSS feed into your Wix site, creating a more dynamic and engaging user experience. Keep in mind that regular updates to your RSS feed will be automatically reflected on your page, keeping your content fresh and relevant. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.